Hi, I'm Dr. Noelle Lucas from Blue Oasis Pet Hospital, and I'm here to take some questions specifically about puppies and puppy care. So I have an assistant, Alex, who's going to ask me a few common questions.
Dr. Lucas, how will proper puppy care impact the life of my dog?
Well, it's just a good way to start their life out, right? A good, healthy puppy without a whole lot of diseases diagnosed or parasites is going to be a great family member and hopefully for a lot of years.
How soon should I bring my puppy in to see the veterinarian for their first exam?
So general recommendation is really as soon as you get your puppy, you should be scheduling a puppy wellness checkup, ideally within the few days that you get your puppy. We want to make sure that we see them really when they're very young to make sure that we are doing just good general health checkups and making sure they're on good nutrition. So the sooner that you schedule your appointment, the better.
What's the most common health problems with puppies?
So the most common health problems with puppies are going to be parasites. They almost all come with some type of parasite, whether that's internal or external, like fleas or ticks. We do see a lot of intestinal parasites like roundworms, hookworms in puppies. We're going to also screen them for some genetic disorders, so things that they would have been born with or congenital problems.
What are some signs and symptoms of illness immediately in your puppy?
Well, puppies are usually very vivacious, right? They're bouncing around, they're very active and interactive with you. So if you have a puppy that is doing a lot of sleeping or not eating very well, I think obviously there are going to be big red flags that maybe something's wrong.
And when should I start training a puppy?
Puppy training should start really from the very beginning when you first get them. Training your puppy to have manners is incredibly important, and the sooner you start, the better. It all takes just little food rewards, and you just start introducing those behaviors that you want and rewarding them. And the sooner you do that, the faster they'll learn it and the better family member that they will be for you.
What will my vet be looking for on the first puppy exam?
So just general well-being. Is the puppy a good weight? Is it too fat, too thin? Do we have any congenital problems? So the problems that we look for would be like maybe a cleft palate or abnormal teeth structure or the way their bite is aligned. We're going to look for any ocular problems they may have been born with, any mites or infections in their ears. We're going to be listening to their little hearts and any heart murmurs. We're going to be checking their little tummies. Are they all bloated out, maybe with parasites? We're going to be checking them for hernias around their belly buttons called an umbilical hernia. In little boys, we're going to be making sure that both of their testicles are descended in their little scrotums, and we might be checking around their bottoms and then their back legs just for orthopedic issues. So there's a lot of things that we do look for, as well as parasites that we can see externally. So it's really important that you take your puppy to the veterinarian and have a good comprehensive exam as soon as you can. And if you have any questions about your puppy, please call us at Blue Oasis Pet Hospital.